Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remake viral TikTok videos using AI character swap. It's completely free and super easy. You can do this on your phone and it only takes a few minutes. Okay, let's get started. First, just find a viral TikTok video that you want to remake and then you can pick any trending clip, maybe like dance, meme or reactions as long as it's clear and short, and then just save that video to your device and then you'll be uploading it to the AI tool next just go to one AI like this. You can open it directly from your browser. Just type one AI and then you can take to the home page like this, and then just log in using your Google account like this. And once you're in, you will get 10 free daily credits like this. And you can also generate unlimited images and videos, so don't worry about running out of tries. Now just tap on avatar menu, this one, just tap on it. And then on here, just choose character swap, like this. This is the feature that lets you replace the person in the video with another character. And then just upload the final TikTok video that you saved earlier on here. Just tap on it and then upload from device and then just upload. Like this. And then just upload the photo of character or person that you want to use over here. Just tap on it and then upload from device like this. And then after that, to generate you have two options: generate with credit, it has faster processing, or generate without credit, that it has slower but still works perfectly. And then since I'm using the free versions, I will just go with generate without credit. Now just tap on generate, this one. And then just wait for the moment. And okay, like this, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. I think the character swap is so incredible. The AI replaces it smoothly with your chosen character, and the motions, the gesture, it looks so smooth. Okay, maybe that's it. You have just remade a viral TikTok video using AI character swap. It's free and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.